See the next question. If alpha beta are the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then which equation will have alpha beta plus beta, alpha beta minus of alpha plus beta as root? Here, if alpha beta are the roots of the equation, sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a, b by a, and product of the roots in this case is product of the roots alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Then I want to find the equation whose roots are alpha beta plus beta, that is I want to write directly the equation. Equation is x square minus x into sum of the roots plus product of the roots is equal to 0. What is the sum of these two roots? If you add these two, alpha beta plus beta is equal to alpha plus beta is this is c by a, alpha plus beta is minus b by a. This is one root. The second root is alpha beta minus alpha minus beta, nothing but c by a plus b by a. This is the second root. Then what is this equation? X square minus x into sum of the roots. If you add these two, we get 2c by a. And product of the roots, if you multiply these two, c by a minus b by a into c by a minus b by a, which is equal to c square minus b square by a square. So simplifying this, we get a square is the LCM. A square x square minus 2acx plus c square minus b square is equal to 0. See the question. A square x square minus 2cx plus c square minus b square. This is the answer for this question. Answer for this question is sum of the roots is this one, minus 2ac by a square. Product of the roots c square minus b square by a square. Next one. If 6 is a solution of this here, where k is a constant, what is the other solution? Solution means root. 6 is the root of this equation. Here what is the sum of the roots? Minus b by a, that is minus 22 by 2, which is equal to minus 11. And one root is 6. What is the other root? Minus 11 minus 6, which is equal to minus 17. Simple question. Here not necessary to find k value, just to find the sum of the roots and we get the answer for this question. See the next question. If one root of the equation is minus 1, here the equation is this one root is minus 1, what is the other root? Here even in sum of the roots, this is sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus 1 by a, and product of the roots alpha into beta is equal to minus 3 by a. In both cases a is there. So that's why first if one root is minus 1 given, if one root is minus 1, if minus 1 is root, then it should satisfy the equation. Put x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1, then we get a into 1 plus x is equal to minus 1 minus 3 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 4. If a is equal to 4, what is here a is 4, alpha into beta is equal to minus 3 by 4. And one root is minus 1, alpha is minus 1, minus 1 into beta is equal to minus 3 by 4. So the second root is the minus minus cancel, we get a 3 by 4 is the second root. Substitute 1, we get first a. After getting a, one root is minus 1, find the second root from this equation. Next question. If one root of the equation is ax, one root of the equation is 2.5 times the other. One root is 2.5 times the other. That means if alpha is equal to 2.5 times the other, then what is alpha by beta? 5 by 2. What is alpha is to beta? 5:2. That means the roots are in the ratio 5:2. Consider this as m, this as n. If roots are in the ratio m:n, then the condition is m plus n whole square into AC is equal to mn b square. This is given. If roots are in the ratio m:n, then the condition is m plus n whole square AC is equal to mn b square. I want to use this condition to get the answer. Okay, m plus n, sum of these two, 7 square, AC, A into C is equal to m into n, product of these two is 10, b square, capital B square. 49 AC is equal to 10 B square is the answer. Okay, if roots are in the ratio m:n, this is the condition, simple condition. M plus n whole square into AC is equal to mn b square. I have given the relation between roots and coefficients. Every condition I have given in the concepts. Use those concepts, we get the answers. Okay, next one. The roots of the equation 12x square plus mx plus 5 is equal to 0 will be in the ratio 3:2 if m is equal to. Here same condition. The roots are in the ratio 3:2. m is to n is equal to 3:2. Then the condition is m plus n whole square AC is equal to mn b square. I want to apply this condition. M plus n, this is m, this is n, 5 whole square, AC, this is A, this is C, 12 into 5 is equal to m into n, product of these two, 6, b square, b is m square. Okay, this is 25 into 12 into 5 is equal to 6m square, 6 1 6 2's cancel, m square is equal to 250, 25 into 10, so m is equal to root of 250, which is equal to plus or minus 5 root 10. Answer is plus or minus 5 root 10. Okay, see the next question. The coefficient of x in the equation x square plus px plus q is equal to 0 was wrongly written as 17 in the place of 13. That means the actual equation is x square. In the place of this is the coefficient of x is 13. So 13x plus q is equal to 0. This is the original equation, but the equation written as x square plus 17x plus q is equal to 0. If this is written, the roots are minus 2 comma minus 15, minus 2 comma minus 15 are roots of this equation. Sum of the roots is equal to minus 17, satisfied, and product of the roots is equal to 30. So q must be equal to 30. So if q is equal to 30, substitute 30 here. X square plus 13x plus 30 is equal to 0. This is the original equation. Here not necessary to solve for roots. Sum of the roots is equal to minus 13 and product of the roots is equal to 30. Sum of the roots is equal to minus 13. In which option having this one? So answer is this one. Sum is minus 13, product is 30. In any option we have? No. So answer for this question is this one. Okay, next question. Under what condition the roots of the equation is the square of the other? One root is the square of the other. If one root is square of the other, I have given one condition, a square c plus ac square is equal to 3abc minus b cube. Very important condition. If one root is square of the other, then the condition is a square c plus ac square is equal to 3abc minus b cube. Here the original equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the condition. I want to use this condition to get the answer. a square, a is 1 square, c is q, plus ac square, a is 1, c square, q square is equal to 3ab, b is p, c is q, 3abc minus bq, b is p, so pq. This is nothing but q plus q square is equal to 3pq minus pq. In which option it is having? So transfer to this, pq plus q square is equal to 3pq. This is the condition. pq plus q square is equal to 3pq. Okay? If one root is square of the other, this is the condition. Okay? 2 square, 3 square are roots, 4 square are roots. This is the condition for that. Okay? Next question. Which of the following quadratic equation whose roots are reciprocals of the roots of this equation? If alpha, beta are the roots of alpha comma beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, which is f of x, then what is the equation whose roots are 1 by alpha comma 1 by beta? This is nothing but f of 1 by x. X is replaced by 1 by x. So what we get here? A into 1 by x whole square plus b into 1 by x plus c is equal to 0. A by x square plus b by x plus c is equal to 0. Multiplied by x square, a plus bx plus cx square is equal to 0. Okay? Cx square plus bx plus a. Cx square plus bx plus a is equal to 0. Okay? So if alpha, beta are the roots of f of x is equal to 0, the equation whose roots are 1 by alpha comma 1 by beta is f of 1 by x is equal to 0. Transformations I have told. So 7 to 8 conditions I have given. Transformation condition. Each root is increased by 1, each root is decreased by 1. Okay? And roots are reciprocal. One root is the square of the other. Okay? All this condition in some transformations given, and some relation between roots and coefficients are given. Okay, go through those formulae, we can get the answers. Next one. If one root of this equation is twice the other, what is the meaning of this? One root is twice the other means the roots are in the ratio 1:2. One root is twice the other. Beta is equal to 2 alpha. So what are the roots? The roots are in the ratio 1:2, which is equal to m:n. Same model. Then the condition is m plus n whole square into ac is equal to mn b square. But a is this total. This is b. This is c. Okay. Here this is a. A means capital A. I want to consider ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Consider this as capital A, capital C, capital B. Then apply the condition. Then what we get here? M plus n, nothing but 3, whole square into A. A is this one. A square minus 5a plus 3. C is 2. Is equal to m into n, product of these two is 2, b square, b is 3a minus 1, 3a minus 1 whole square. Okay, so here 2 cancel on both sides. 9 into a square minus 5a plus 3 is equal to, expand this, 9a square plus 1 minus 6a. 9a square minus 45a plus 27 is equal to 9a square plus 1 minus 6a. Here 9a square cancel. 27 minus 1, 26 is equal to 45a minus 6a. 45a minus 6a, which is equal to 39a. So what is a? 26 by 39, 13 2s, 13 3s. Answer is 2 by 3. The value is 2 by 3. This is the condition. If roots are in the ratio m is to n, this is the condition. Okay, next question. The roots of a quadratic equation y square minus 8y plus 4 are alpha comma beta. Then find the value of this. Here what is the sum of the roots? Sum of the roots is equal to 8 and product of the roots is equal to 4. Product of the roots is equal to 4. Then what is the product of these two? Here alpha into alpha square is alpha cube and some alpha beta values are there. So first to solve that question, first I want to find alpha square plus beta square. Nothing but alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Alpha plus beta is 8. 8 square 64 minus 2 into 4 8, which is equal to 56. Similarly, alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Okay, here I think this is not necessary. Just I want to go through the question. See, 1 plus alpha plus beta square multiplied by 1 plus beta plus alpha square is equal to 1 plus 1 into beta is beta, 1 into alpha square is alpha square, plus alpha into 1 is alpha, alpha into beta, plus alpha into alpha square is alpha cube. Okay, alpha cube is also necessary. Okay, I will find later. Beta square into 1 beta square, beta square into beta is beta cube, plus beta square into alpha square is nothing but alpha beta whole square. I want to write in order. 1 plus this one and this one, write it as alpha plus beta. Okay, next this one and this one, write it as alpha square plus beta square. This is nothing but alpha beta. Okay, this is alpha cube plus beta cube. This is nothing but alpha beta whole square. Alpha beta whole square. I want to substitute the values. Here alpha plus beta is nothing but alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to alpha plus beta whole cube 8 cube. Okay, 8 cube is equal to 512 minus 3 into alpha beta is 4, alpha plus beta is 8. Okay, 5 cube is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. This is nothing but 512 minus 96. Okay, this is equal to 12 minus 6 is 6, 0 minus 9 is 1, 416. Then I want to substitute these values. Then what we get here? 1 plus alpha plus beta is 8, alpha square plus beta square is 56, plus alpha beta, product of the roots is 4, alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to 416, alpha beta is 4, 4 square is equal to 16. Here units places are different. I want to find the units places. 6 plus 6 12, 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 6 12, 2, 2 plus 8 0, 0 plus 1 1. So units place is 1. So answer is 501. Answer is 501. So this is about the questions related to quadratic equations. Okay.